Hello everyone, and this is Reggie with A-Team Appliance. Yeah. And I am broadcasting right now from my man cave. And I've got two things special I wanted to announce and to mention. One is a piece of information. I get a lot of questions about sourcing, where to source inventory. So I usually have standard answers such as scrap guys and buying in bulk, but there's another source that's probably better than all those that I keep forgetting to mention. I thought about the other day, so I decided to do this video. Also, before we get to that, though, I want to mention that the other thing is that I have a Patreon page now. The reason why I created my Patreon is because I have a lot of do-it-yourselfers or even other techs that may be stuck on a machine that ask me very, very detailed questions. So I've created my Patreon page so you have availability of contacting me anytime you want and get detailed explanations on any issues or machines that you may be stuck on. So feel free. That link is in the description of this video. So please be sure to check out my Patreon. Now, for that nugget of valuable information on sourcing, apartment complex maintenance guys, the bar none, the best source for inventory available. And I'm speaking from my own experience. I have a guy. I had like 3 or 4 of them, but sometimes they switch jobs, and even they switch complexes. They still know who you are. And so anyway, these guys get everything. So not just washers and dryers. If you just want to flip anything like treadmills, sofas, anything, man. Apartment complex maintenance guys are the key. Because people leave machines and stuff behind when they move out or they get evicted. But even when they move out, here's the thing about washers and dryers. Washers and dryers are not something that can be moved in a car. So a lot of times people will just elect to just leave them there, especially if they have an issue with them, like maybe the dryer stopped working as good or something like that. Or, a lot of ones I get, there's not much wrong with it other than general maintenance. So some of the best inventory you can get are from apartment complexes, but you have to contact the maintenance guy directly. So I wouldn't go into like the clubhouse or whatever and talk to the people in nice clothes. No, drive around a complex, look for the maintenance guy and say, hey, I buy appliances. Let me know what you get. Because a lot of those guys, some of them will sell them on their own, but a lot of them will just take them to the scrapyard and get pennies on a dollar. And so my standard price is $25, $20 to $25 per machine. Some guys will not be okay with that. The other ones will. So just find a guy that's okay with your pricing, because the alternative is take it to the scrapyard and get 5 cents a pound, which these things are only 100 pounds. That's not a lot of money compared to $20 is good money, and you're picking it up, and it's out of their hair. So any questions, don't feel free to ask questions about that. And please, please, please subscribe to my Patreon page. Trying to get it rolling. That way you guys can excuse me. So excited I can't even speak right. You guys can have access to me more abundantly through Patreon. All right. This is Reggie with A-Team Appliance. I'll see you on the next video.